Okay, so we're going to move to the next section of creating our teacher website. We should already have a home page with some sort of title and some basic information, welcoming students and parents to the website, information about your class, whatever you want to put there, and an image. And we also should have a home tab up here on the horizontal tabs. I also have a sitemap, which I'll get rid of later. This particular template came with a sitemap. But now we're going to add the next page, and the next page is going to be a personal page. So to add it, all we do is go up here to this button on the main screen, create a page. We're going to name it. It's going to be your personal page. Name it whatever you like. I'm going to call mine About Me. It is a web page. I'm going to keep it at a top level, which that means it's on the same level as the home page, and just push create. So now it's creating my new page. And there's my About Me page, and I can change the font or change the font size, do some things if I want to. And then I'm going to type in some text, and the requirements are in Blackboard. You can read them, but I'm going to put some text, some information about me. This can be serious or scholarly or humorous, but you might want to include a few personal things about yourself. Not too personal, obviously, but maybe your hobbies, your pets, something like that, what you like to read, something personal in there that's going to help the kids get to know you, feel more comfortable with you. So I already typed up mine in a Word document so I could proofread it, correct it, fix it, and now I'm going to copy and paste it in here. So that's my About Me. And then at the very bottom, I'm going to add in an image, a picture of me. And so I'm picking one. I mentioned some of my hobbies. One of my hobbies is cycling. So I'm going to put a picture there. I am going to put essentially a headshot in another place in a minute, but I'm going to put something a little more fun or interesting in here. So I'm going to upload a photo from iPhoto on my computer. And all I'm going to do is click here, Insert Image. And I'll upload an image from my computer, and I hope I can find it quickly. I tried to make a folder. Okay, there's an image of me on my cycling trip in Italy that I want to put on this page. And obviously, there we go. It's a better size. Okay, I'll put it in there. And there's some options for resizing. This obviously is a ginormous picture, so I'm going to check out a small one, and I think I'll leave it there on the left. You can move it to the middle, to the center, to the right, small, medium, large, and so forth. So there's my image, and that's the basic idea about my page, and I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go back to edit pages, and on the layout page, I'm going to keep this as one column, but remember, you could, if you like, change it to 2-column, 3-column, so forth. You can change formatting, various things you can do with this page to personalize it a little bit. But essentially, you want at least 150 words of text and a picture at the bottom. Now I'm just going to make a couple more changes on here. I'm going to go up here to the gear and go to Edit Site Layout. And that gives me, again, you can see I can edit the sidebar, which I'm going to do in a minute. And I can also edit the horizontal navigation. So if I go to edit my horizontal navigation, I can add pages. Well, now I have a new page. I have an About Me page. And so if I select that to add, now that page also should be included on the horizontal bar, and there it is right there. The other thing I'm going to edit is back on the home page. I'm going to make a link to the About Me page. Now I'm on the home page here. It brought me back to the home page, but now I have a horizontal link to the About Me page. I am also going to add to my sidebar here. So I go to the sidebar edit and I add, and I'm actually, there's no option to add an image, but there will be in a minute. I'm going to add text to the sidebar. And so when I go down here to my text box, edit sidebar item, now I can insert an image, and I'm going to insert a headshot or some picture of myself. You insert some picture of yourself. And these are all from my web page that I could also put in, but I'm going to upload an image again from my iPhoto and pick a headshot. Okay, I'll put that in. Again, it's very large, so I'm going to make it small and maybe center it. We'll see how that goes. Okay. And that should come up in my sidebar. Now you can see it got cut off a little bit. And so I can also edit my columns, my column size, and edit my sidebar. If I go here to this button to edit sidebar, I can make the sidebar a little wider. So maybe I'll try 180 pixels. See if that fits my face in there. That's better. So now I still have on my home page my basic information. I have a picture and it's wide enough so it doesn't cut me off. And you can edit this. If I edited this picture again and moved it over to the left, that might make it fit a little better, but that's the idea. I'm also going to type in the text box under my picture something like for information about Dr. Wolf, something like that. Click here. And I'm going to put a hyperlink to my About Me page. So I'm going to highlight the word here. This icon means hyperlink. I'm going to put a hyperlink in. And it's asking me, where do you want to link to? I want to link to the About Me page. Now you can see it's live because it changed color. Click OK. And here I am back on my home page. And this says for more information about Dr. Wolf, click here. And when I click there, after I save it, it will take you to the About Me page. So once I've got all this in there, I'm going to save and close this. And then let's see if this link will take me to the About Me page. And yes, it does. There it is. So for this week, what I've done is I've created an About Me page. I've written 150 words minimum about myself, some information about me, and I've included an image, a picture of me in the About Me page. I also created a horizontal link to the About Me page here. And back on the home page, I have edited the sidebar. So I inserted a photo and a hyperlink to take me back to that About Me page. So that's what we're working on for this week. It's a little more extensive than last week, but once you get the hang of this, the rest of it's going to fly. And if you want to do other things to fix up your homepage or About Me page, again, they have images that match your template. Whatever you want to do with it, feel free. Don't go crazy adding a bunch of pages because we're going to have some particular pages. But that's the deal. Good luck. That is our page 2 for our website.